buwan mula na matanggal sa pwesto bilang PNP chief, nagpaunlak ng panayam sa GMA Integrated News si General Nicolas Torre III.
Kamusta ka po since you were relieved from your post as the PNP chief?
I'm okay. Life goes on at exploring new things to do in life, looking at life after the PNP.
Aktibo pang miyembro ng PNP ang 4-star general na si Torre.
Have you thought or contemplated on having an early retirement instead?
Saka natin pag-isipan. Wala pa namang there's still nothing in the horizon so far.
Pero napag-iisipan mo na?
Those are one of the many options. Those are among the options. That's among the options na available sa atin.
Nang tanungin kung bakit naisip niya ang early retirement,
Maraming gawin. And then, let's observe first before we make the decision.
Ano ba talaga ang rason o sa tingin mo ang rason kung bakit ikaw ay narinig?
Hindi ko alam. Okay? Wala akong masabi dyan sa regard that matter. Ay, tanungin niyo kung sino nag-rip sa akin at kung ano ang basehan. I think the President have already spoken about it in his podcast.
dati nang sinabi ni Torre na wala siyang sama ng loob sa ginawa sa kanya. Kaya tinanong ko ano ang naramdaman niya sa pagsibak sa kanya.
Basta ako ay sumusunod lamang. There's really nothing to expound about it. My feelings there is immaterial. It's just, kung sa tanong mo kung anong naramdaman ko, well, it's just one of the many things that happened in my life as a police officer.
Dating inanunsyo ng palasyo na bibigyan ng bagong posisyon si Torre.
Ikaw ba ay nabigyan nga ba ng posisyon? Bibigyan? Ano po ang latest?
Wala pa naman, ma'am. There's nothing formal.
If ever you will be offered a position formally, will you accept it?
Saka na lang natin desisyonan kung ano ang ating gagawin pag may offer na talaga.
Nakalive pa rin hanggang ngayon si General Torre simula nang matanggal sa pwesto. Nakatalaga siya sa personal holding and
I was called names, Unggoy, Diwata, ano pa. Things were said and done, and a lot of things were said and done to me. So, PNP na ako nun. At kailangan, something has to be done about it.
Kaya inorganisa niya ang takbo kontra bullying sa November 16 hanggang October 31 ang official leave ng dating PNP chief.
After October 31, what's next?
Let's cross the bridge when we're there. Wala pa, may mga 2 weeks pa eh.